nze ne Ojwani Uganda era nkomye wano nga tugenda kukola ku mbiri zaffe nga tukozesa ngenda kuteekamu bino oyiro osobola okuteegera oyiro gw'osobola okuteeka mu mbiri zo kale naye ngenda bimikisinga. Please subscribe, share, comment. Yeah. As you can see my hair it's very strong. Sometimes my hair disturb me. I'm lazy about my hair, so but when I got time, it's because sometimes I'm busy, but when I got time I take care of my hair. Okay, please, I thank everyone who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank everyone who watch my video, comment, like, share. I thank everyone. May God bless you. Okay, let us continue as we are putting oil. As I'm putting oil in my hair. Okay. If you put oil in your hair, you have to make a massage. Bonaba to massaginze oil tagenda kutuuka mu nviiri zo bulungi. Leave in like 3 hours, 2 hours, then after wash. Okay. Because of winter now, this one is supposed to be like this. Because there's coconut oil, and as soon as you can see these flowers. It's like this because of winter. Because everywhere now it's cold, so that's why it's stuck inside. But if not cold, you just press and come. You have to put in your hair very well. Bino biringa ebirungu by'enviiri zo butazifaako kuba nayinza olw'embeera leziye n'enviiri sikola kisizifaako nga ndi lezi naye. By the way, you people, let me tell you this. gano amazzi gano tegafaanagana n'ag'ewaka. Amazzi gano galimu omunnyo, so nziyiza okugamba nti ozinaayemu buli kiseera si kirungi. Amazzi gano si malungi, nga bwemanyi nti omunnyo si mulungi ku nviiri, so gusobola okukola ki, gusobola okukonesa enviiri zo nga tezikola bulungi. Okay, I have opened, see, because it's stuck, now I have opened. So you just do like this. You see how it's stuck? Just press. There is coconut inside. Buli oilo yonna eriko coconut mukwano bw'ogiraba tomuyitako. Bw'oba omaze okuteekamu oilo wo, ojja funa akaveera osibyeko kugamba nti bw'oteekako akakaaya, oilo aleme kugenda mu kakaaya. Kitegeera? Put enough oil to enter inside on skin. After, make massage. You have to make sure that everywhere oil have reached. After you leave like 2 hours, 3 hours, it's enough. Don't leave long time. Yeah, don't leave long time. Leave share. See. Don't leave long time. Kati osobola okulaba nti wonna oil etuuseewo. Olaba? You have to make massage from the root of your hair. Okay? After comb. Waliwo abateekamu oil ne bamulekamu n'ate oba olina okukola ki? Oba olina okumunaabamu. Kubanga sometimes oil naye bw'omulekamu ajja kukosa enviiri zo. Sometimes waliwo ebika bya oil, waliwo n'abeeramu ate waliwo n'oguba olina okunaabamu. Ate eno ng'oggyeko okukosa enviiri oyinza omulekamu n'awonyera abantu oba ebizinesi nga zikola ki? Nga ziwunya. Nina omugugu gw'enviiri wano. Nange. Things are not easy naye. Make massage. Make sure that oil atuuseemu bulungi. Yoni yagamba nti mufifayo ate nga mbajja ndi ku lulu. I have watched to do it. I have to stay in the kitchen because she is there. finish, have to brush. Now I'm done. You can see everywhere I have put oil and I have made it massage how I supposed to do. So after when you finish, you have to curl your hair like this, because I will leave 3 minutes to 3 hours to 2 hours after I will wash. You have to put enough oil. Okay guys, so when you put this oil inside your hair and you put very well, you massage, you will see the dirty when the dirty start coming from the oil. You get me? You will see the dirty on the skin when it start coming from the oil. So now I'm going to cover with plastic cavera. I don't know how to call it in English, so I'm sorry. Yeah. So me now I'm done with okasibako engeri nti oleke kukola ki olekeyika mu kakayako. So make sure that you close very well. So wano waggulu okayizaako katono okugamba nti omukka gugende osobole okusibako bulungi. Olaba? Now you can see this dot, it's come from my hair. You get me? You have to use this coconut oil and mix with, okay, to get better results. But when you use only this one, you can use only this one, but you can't get the same results when you mix with this. You can get plates and mix it. If not plate, you can mix from your head. You put share this. Okay guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, comment, and please share to your friend and tell them this oil and this is nice for hair, okay? I love you all. So now I'm going to close with my shader. So nobody will know that I have put anything in my head. You close it like this. Nobody will know. They will just see you like this. If oil come too much, get like this tissue, put here, sides here. And after all, I will put this thing, okay? Remember, we are even in the winter, so no problem. Now I become a rester. Not so? Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and comment. I love you all.